10,000 plus subscribers. What if I told you I'm planning to hit this milestone with just a few strategic videos? Yes, you're right. I'm confident my channel's monetization will be approved with just a handful of videos. And soon it will get thousands of views and hundreds of subscribers daily. But the question is how. So I asked my audience. In this video, I'll tell you how I plan to get 10K subscribers with just a few videos. I've divided my strategies into 4 main parts for your better understanding. And by applying these strategies smartly, you too can easily grow your channel just like I'm planning to. But before I start, here's a quick backstory of my YouTube journey. So what is my backstory? Zach is not my first YouTube channel. Before this, I've worked on other channels and made over 180 plus videos. Yes, 180 videos, and I still have time to eat and sleep. By working on my previous channels, reading articles about YouTube and analyzing big YouTubers, I learned a lot about YouTube. However, my previous channels had very limited potential audiences, so working on them was not rewarding due to less growth. And so I decided to try something new and opened a channel about YouTube growth.